Hello guys, welcome to next video, new video. In this video I'm gonna give an update on the price of Bitcoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin is still respecting our 29,000 level, and for the past 8 days or a week, Bitcoin is has been able to hold this level, as we mentioned on previous video. That all this area of support is very important for Bitcoin to build momentum before it moves to our next Fibonacci level, which is 36,000 level. We can see that if you move to the weekly chart, we can see that we were able to close last week above our 39,000 level, our 29,000 level, and which means we are able to open a new candle. This week candle already tested our 29,000 level precisely at this level, and is currently trying to establish as a support, using our 29,000 level as a support. So this is very important in this case, as we know that the top of this channel hasn't been breached for as far as November 2021. So a very long time. We finally have a weekly candle closing above the top of this channel, dark blue channel, and which coincides with as well with our 29,000 level. So having this week respecting this level will enable Bitcoin to actually move higher, or at least prepare for the next weekly candle to open more confident and be able to charge toward our 36,000 level. So this is very important and very good the development to see, as we can see as well in our US dollar index chart. We are still able to respect this moving average on the super gap indicator. We've been able to respect this area. It's currently being rejected at around 103. We don't want to move above this level, or we don't want to touch this downward trend line, yellow trend line. We already mentioned why. If you go to our previous videos where we explained the relationship, the correlation between the DXY and the Bitcoin, we want to avoid this touching this level as much as possible. And what we want instead is to the DXY to turn the super gap to turn red again and come and test the under level, the DXY to come and touch the under level, and probably losing support and kind of consolidating within this yellow box. This would give Bitcoin more momentum and strength to actually progress towards its target, which is our next Fibonacci levels. We have this measure move that we already did previous video, which is pointing to a possibility for Bitcoin to reach as high as between 29,000 and our 77,000 level, within this time frame, which is between 20th May 2023 and 27th November 2023. So we can expect there's a possibility for Bitcoin to reach this level before December this year. And if we look at our ratio, we can see that our ratio is actually far away from both 50 and the 200-day moving average. Is already far away and is behaving, normally as expected. And on the RSI, we can see the RSI already broke the downward trend line and is currently approaching our 18.62 level. The RSI is at the moment at 36.82 level, far away from our 53.91 level, which is a level we don't want to interact with too much. So apparently, it looks like Bitcoin is on the right track to hold this area as support and challenge our next level of which is 36,000 level. So this is what we want to see. So far, we need, of course, Bitcoin to hold onto our 29,000 level in order to be able to conquer its targets. Another thing that we want to mention is our BTC dominance. We can see that the BTC dominance is already at 52%. Having a look at this Fibonacci level, we can expect the next level of resistance for the Bitcoin dominance to be at 55%. So as Bitcoin is currently holding and having building momentum to actually target its next Fibonacci level, our next Fibonacci level, we can expect Bitcoin gonna need a lot of momentum, a lot of dominance in this case, building dominance to actually conquer those particular levels. So we can expect Bitcoin going to 55% in the dominance against altcoins, which can translate on further Bitcoin gains, and of course will cause more pain to the altcoins, before it starts reversing. Let's say if Bitcoin is able to reach our 36,000 level, 46,000 level, and 59,000 level, and then reverse, this is likely to put the Bitcoin dominance at around 55 and possibly 62% before it starts reversing and giving way for the altcoin to finally shine or translate into an altcoin season in this case. So this would validate the idea that we are heading basically to, in this case, to possible triple top according to this measured move. It's very easy, from the top to the bottom of the channel. You're placing these, this arrow. It's going to give you a measure between 59,000 and 77,000, which is technically a triple top within this time frame. This could actually, and reversing, as Bitcoin reach this level and reverse, this could actually give altcoin momentum to grow, as Bitcoin is likely to start correcting from this level. As this level is a major level of resistance, as we can see on the previous time the Bitcoin reached 60 between 60 59 the region above 59,000 level. So yes, we think the dominance has legs and can possibly reach the next Fibonacci level. So the 0.5 level and 0.6 Fibonacci level could be an area where Bitcoin can get, where the dominance can get rejected, where Bitcoin can give way to altcoin to shine a little bit in this case. So yes, that's the update for today, guys. We have Bitcoin still holding strong above our 29,000 level. We can see that it comes very close and bounced and is currently respecting this level. It's very important to have support before we can challenge new highs. So thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much.